Vastu Shastra and human body comparison. Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian architectural practice, views the built environment as an extension of the human body. This comparison can be explored from scientific, astronomical, and electromagnetic perspectives. 5 elements in human body and Vastu. Both the human body and Vastu Shastra recognize 5 fundamental elements. Water, Jala, essential for life. Water constitutes approximately 70% of the human body. In Vastu, water elements are associated with the north direction. Fire, Agni, fire represents energy, metabolism, and transformation. In the human body, fire is linked to digestion and energy production. In Vastu, fire elements are associated with the south direction. Earth, Prithvi, earth represents stability, structure, and nourishment. In the human body, earth is linked to bones, muscles, and organs. In Vastu, earth elements are associated with the southwest direction. Air, Vayu, air represents movement, breath, and life force. In the human body, air is essential for respiration and circulation. In Vastu, air elements are associated with the east direction. Space, Akasha, space represents the void, emptiness, and connection. In the human body, space is linked to the mind, consciousness, and spiritual connection. In Vastu, space elements are associated with the center of the building, Brahmasthan. Elemental imbalance in human body and Vastu. When the elements in the human body or Vastu become imbalanced, it can lead to various issues. Physical and psychological imbalance. In the human body, elemental imbalances can cause physical and psychological disorders. Similarly, in Vastu, elemental imbalances can affect the occupant's physical and mental well-being. Electromagnetic interference. From an electromagnetic perspective, elemental imbalances in Vastu can disrupt the natural electromagnetic fields, leading to adverse effects on human health and well-being. Scientific and astronomical perspectives. Biophysics and biochemistry. The human body's elemental composition and balance can be understood through biophysics and biochemistry. Similarly, Vastu's elemental balance can be seen as a reflection of the natural world's biophysical and biochemical principles. Astronomical influences. Astronomical phenomena, such as planetary positions and solar activity, can influence the human body's elemental balance and Vastu's elemental harmony. Electromagnetic perspective. Electromagnetic fields. The human body and Vastu structures interact with electromagnetic fields, which can affect elemental balance and overall well-being. Resonance and frequency. The human body's elemental balance and Vastu's elemental harmony can be influenced by resonance and frequency, which are essential for maintaining health and well-being. Five elements of the human body. The human body can be understood through the lens of the 5 elements: water, Jala, fluids, blood, and other bodily liquids. Fire, Agni, body temperature, 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit, metabolism, and energy. Earth, Prithvi, bones, muscles, and organs. Air, Vayu, breath, oxygen, and respiratory system. Space, Akash, the navel, abdominal cavity, and internal spaces.